Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you set up your Webull account. First, download the Webull app from your preferred app store. Once installed, you'll begin the initial registration process, which typically involves providing your email address or phone number. After that, you'll need to verify your identity by uploading a government-issued identification document. This step is crucial for security and compliance, ensuring your account is properly linked to you. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your account is set up, the next step is funding it so you can begin trading. You can easily link your bank account for electronic transfers. The most common method is an ACH transfer, which typically takes about 3 to 5 business days for funds to settle. If you need to deposit funds more quickly, a wire transfer is an option, though it might involve additional fees from your bank. Webull itself does not charge deposit fees for bank transfers. After submitting your application, expect your Webull account to be approved within 1 to 2 business days, though sometimes it can be even faster. While you wait, take some time to explore the platform's various features and research tools. Once your account is approved and your funds have settled, you'll be ready to place your very first trade. Webull offers a user-friendly interface to help you get started with investing. Webull offers a robust set of advanced features for more experienced traders. You can utilize sophisticated charting tools and a wide range of technical indicators to analyze market trends. For those looking to hone their skills without financial risk, Webull's paper trading simulator allows you to practice strategies with virtual money in a real-time market environment. This is a fantastic way to gain confidence. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other exclusive deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.